Hi everyone, my name is Alex Schellhaus. I'm the product manager here at Cavallo, and today we're going to talk about how to stop low margin orders from plaguing your business. Super excited about this. Let's dive in. All right, so this is mission control. This is really the center of your organization's order process, from quote to order to invoice and return. And a lot of times what happens in organizations is orders that are below a certain margin threshold get through without anybody having the opportunity to catch that, so that they can make sure that they're as profitable as they should be on every single order that goes through the system. So in Distribution Cloud, we have a really easy way to make sure that that doesn't happen. All you need to do is go into the workflow process, go into order workflows, and then start to define your process. This is going to look different for anybody that's set this up, but all you have to do is go into here. We can see that typically the document is going to go into the primary path, but if something else happens, like the margin is below what I want it to be, I want it to go to a manager review queue so I can make sure that document doesn't go through. So we can just say margin check, let's name the path, and then we'll just say if a field from the order, in this case, gross margin percent, is less than 20%, let's go ahead and move that to a brand new queue, something that we don't have yet, to a manager review queue. We could describe it if we want. I'm not going to do that quite yet. We can add the queue, and now anytime that there's a document that has a gross margin less than 20%, it's going to get routed to the manager review queue. Now, what you probably want to do is every single document, maybe that's not the right way to do it, you can add document total on top of this to make this become really powerful. So if a document is more than a fixed value, in this case, maybe documents that are greater than $2,000, and the gross margin is less than 20%, should be routed to the manager review queue. Now this way, the manager only has to review the really important documents, the high value documents that are below a certain gross margin percent. From there, all you have to do is save, quickly apply the changes, and you've made the update. All right, and that's how you stop low margin orders for your business. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks.